Hello and welcome to another update on the Hang Seng Index, HSI, and we want to talk a little bit about the larger time frame, not too much. I did that in the last video. This was a long-term introductory overview, so feel free to check out the last video from just a few days ago where I covered the larger time frame in depth. Current thesis is that we could be in the process of wrapping up, of completing this fifth wave to the upside of wave C of D within a triangle pattern, and then wave E to the downside could start shortly. This E wave to the downside could take the price then into this standard support area, but this is subject to change and it depends on how the microstructure to the downside unfolds. We have a significant rally that unfolded from the February 2024 low or January low. The market moved up round about 89%. So a significant upside move. My view is this comes close to completion now. However, while we have seen a rejection from resistance here at 27,295, one more final push cannot be ruled out, and we have to take a look at the smaller time frame to get a good idea of what is going on there. But please note the risk to the downside is starting to become high just because of the magnitude of the rally that we have seen, and also because we've reached resistance. Now, see, this is seen currently as a triangle pattern. We could test this trend line. It's not really a reliable trend line. I just added it to combine these two swing highs. This one was a fake out. And just to show that it is a triangle pattern, the Elliott wave count, A, B, C, D, E suggests that as well. But please note that a D wave should not break above the B wave high. So the formal invalidation point is not a break above the trend line. It would be a break above this green line. This would be an invalidation point of the triangle pattern, yeah. And again, that would, again, I'm not calling a top yet, right? I'm just highlighting the risk is high that there could be this pullback in wave E. And this would be an opportunity, this pullback in wave E, because it could be the last leg down of this triangle pattern before a major fifth wave breakout to 40,000 plus is going to unfold. That means while we are probably in the late stages of this rally, and while we have reacted to initial resistance, it's too early to confirm a top. Now let us take a look at the smaller time frame. And what I want to do here, I'm going to, hold on. Okay, no, this is the futures chart. So this is the futures chart, slightly different. What we want to highlight here on the smaller time frame is that the market has pulled back in an internal fourth wave within a possibly still unfolding fifth wave. So again, this is the triangle pattern that I've just shown you, just really zoomed in to the 4-hour chart. And the move up shows that we could complete this larger fifth wave here within wave C of D at any time. But we have not broken below any swing low. All right, we have broken briefly below short-term support, yeah, below reliable support for a fourth wave. But this can be seen as a diagonal pattern that's unfolding, which could lead to one more high, maybe to reach the area around 28,600. So you see the move up from this larger degree fourth wave in April is seen as an ABC structure to the upside. This C wave could be unfolding right now, and it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a bit questionable because this wave 4 is very deep, but it is a corrective pullback. It's a 3-wave move down, and we have no sustained break below the 61.8 retracement, which is normally the last, let's say, reliable support level for a fourth wave. It's not invalidated below that. The true invalidation point is actually the low of the wave 2. This is when something more bearish will take over, and maybe we will already have to confirm a top then. But in the short term, there is another support level even, which is here at 24,728. This would be structural support, but the real invalidation point is the low of that wave 2. But the market is pushing higher today, so if we can continue this, we already have a break above the swing highs here from last week. That's helpful. We should be moving to attack the 27,460 level next, which is the swing high from the 2nd of October. That's the update on the Hang Seng Index. If you like the updates here on this channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a like. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.